Hello, today you're looking at a PEC 2000 amp 6-volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. It's been tested and checked out by our electricians here in the shop. As you can see, it's in great condition. We'll get that running for you in a second. This is water cooled, remote controlled. Bring you over to the nameplate really quick. Overall dimensions is going to be 41 inches length, 27 inches width, 64 inches high. Inside looks great condition right there. This is wired for 463 phase. Total weight is 880 pounds. We'll get that going for you right now. Bring you guys over to the OSCO. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.